The question number 1, we have given a polynomial. First name the polynomial. What is name of the polynomial? You can keep P of x, Q of x, R of x. Anything of x will keep. Okay. So I am naming the polynomial like let P of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. And we need to find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to minus 1 and at x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 or plus 2? Plus 2. So now P of 0 we calculate. What is P of 0? 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 is 50, right? 0 minus 4 into 0, 40, right? Hey, 0 square 2, man. Don't you know that? 0. Someone started thinking 0 square 2. Now there comes the hilarious part. 0 plus 3 is 0. See, rolling your eyes and all. Don't think like that. 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay. Likewise, x equals minus 1. P of minus 1. Then the value of the polynomial is 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. 5 into minus 1 it is negative 5 minus 4 into negative 1 square, that is plus 1 plus 3. 4 into 1 it is 4. See, this negative sign will remain disturbed, will remain undisturbed. Okay. So this is minus 9 plus 3. Answer is minus 6. At x equals to P of 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. So it is 10 minus 8 plus 3. 10 minus 8 it is 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16. Then 10 minus 16 it is minus 6 plus 3. Answer is minus 3. That is all. Any doubts on this? Next question. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for each of the polynomials. Question number 2. We need to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 in each of the polynomials. P of x is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Sorry, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Because if I say P of x means that is a polynomial in x. P of y means that is polynomial in y. So what is P of 0? P of 0 it is 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. P of 1 it is 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1. P of 2 it is 2 square minus 2 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 it is 2, 2 plus 1 it is 3. Same like the second one. P of t. P of t 2 plus t plus 2t square minus 1. Sorry. 2t square minus t cube. What is P of 0? In place of t, substitute 0. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, answer is 2000. 2. Answer is 2. Because somebody will write 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 2000, like somebody will write. Next, P of 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, it is 4. Okay. So that is P of 1 for you, and P of 2. It is 2 plus, in place of t, another 2 plus 2 t square. It is 2 square minus 2 cube. What are all of it are 2? All of them are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like them. So 2 plus 2 plus this 2 square is 4. 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 out. Answer is 4. Can you do all the remaining questions in the same manner? Okay. You do it and tell me the answer. P of x is equal to x cube. What is P of 0? P of 1. P of 2. 8. That's all. Like P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. What is P of 0? Hey, that is an important example, man. See? P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. We should not simplify like that, because as per this textbook, as per this exercise, you are not introduced to do that formula. What is instructed, that you have to follow. Okay. See? No. P of 0. What is P of 0? 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. Why they are giving this kind of examples means, I told you, right? This 0 minus 1 is 0, like some people will write. That is why. Now tell me, what is 0 minus 1? 1, right? Minus 1. Somebody said 1. Minus 1. 0 plus 1 it is. See, this much thinking. 0 plus 1 it is 1. Okay. So minus 1 into 1 it is minus 1. That is P of 0. Then P of 1 it is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 it is 0. 1 plus 1 it is 2. So the answer is 0 into 2, 0. Okay. Like P of 2 is what? 2 minus 1. Sorry. 2 minus 1, it is 1, 3. Yes, sir. Finished. Now the third question, they say verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them. What indicate against them? X equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial. That's all. Okay. That is not indicating against. So that also follows the same. Whatever the value mentioned, we should substitute. If 0 comes, we can say it is a 0 of a polynomial. See, for instance, here we substituted many values. In any one of the case, have we got 0? This. So 1 is the 0 of this given polynomial. Okay. Likewise, you should indicate. And the fourth one, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. This third one you can do, right? Same manner. which are 0, which are not 0, we have to identify. Okay, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. We should find the 0. How we should find the 0? So far, we haven't exposed to anything called finding zeros of a polynomial. So far, we know we substitute a value. If that comes 0 means we can say it is 0 of a polynomial. If that does not comes means it is not a 0 of a polynomial. So, we are going to do this by, see, that wow method. As we always do, trial and error method. What method? We are going to try one value, and if that is error, again try. If there is an error, again try. Try again method. Trial and error. Okay. See, the question number 1, p of x is equal to x plus 5. How you will identify the value which makes the polynomial 0? Simply, if x takes minus 5, we get 0. See, so p of minus 5, it is minus 5 plus 5, answer is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 is 0 of p of x. That's all. This is how the answer should look like. Okay. The second subdivision. P of x equals x minus 5. What makes this expression 0? What value of x makes this expression 0? X is 5. So, P of 5, it is 5 minus 5, answer is 0. So, therefore, x is equal to 5 is 0 of P of x. Okay. Next, P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. This one, how we will solve? By trial and error method only. We can equate this to 0 to find the 0 of the polynomial. So, we will take P of x that equals 0. What is P of x? 2x plus 5 equals 0. That will give you 2x is equal to this 5 transposed to the other side. It is minus 5. And x equals minus 5 by 2. So, what is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial p of x is minus 5 by 2. Okay. Any doubts in this? This question also, instead of trial and error, you can directly find by equating it to 0. See, we will take x plus 5 is equal to 0. And x equals minus 5 is 0 of the polynomial. Here also, x minus 5 equals 0 and x equals 5 is the 0 of the polynomial. So, it will come like only few steps. That is why I wrote like 2 or 3 steps, substitution, everything. Okay. Next, question number 4. What is question number 4? P of x is equal to 3x minus 1. How to find the value? Here, it is P of x that is equal to 0. Oh, sorry, 3x minus 2. So, P of x is 3x minus 2 equals 0. When this minus 2 transposed to that side, plus 2 and x equals 2 by 3. Therefore, the 0 of the polynomial p of x is 2 by 3. Okay. Next, p of x is equal to 3x. 0 simply. P of x is equal to 3x and we will say p of x equals 0 which means 3x equal to 0 and x equals 0. Next, p of x equals ax and a not equal to 0. P of x equals ax and a not equal to 0. See, here they used two variables. Usually, what all the people will use means this a, b, c, d and all for constants they will use. A, B, C, D and all for constants they will use. X, Y, Z and all for variables they will use. Okay. See here, ax equals 0. When product of two things is equal to 0, we may conclude that either the first one equals 0 or the second one equals to 0. Both are possible, because when the product of two things are 0, one of them must be 0. Now, this a, clearly it is not 0. This case is not even possible, because in the question itself they mentioned a is not 0. Then which is the only possible case? X equals 0. It is possible case, and that is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. And the last question, p of x is equal to cx plus d. C is not equal to 0. C and D are real numbers. P of x equals Cx plus D. This C not equal to 0. This C and D are real numbers. Okay. Here C is not 0. Okay. Now we will take P of x equals 0. P of x is Cx plus D is equal to 0, and this Cx is equal to minus D and x is equal to minus D by C. And they restricted this C is not 0 because that comes in the denominator. 0 dividing by 0 is not defined. That is why this C is stayed away from 0. It is not equal to 0. Clear? That is all. Then we have come to the end of this exercise. We will move forward to the next concept. Shall we? No.